Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is John Olive with the John Olive Foundation, CEO. I am here today to introduce our foundation to you and give you a brief history about what we've done over the last 4 years of inception. John Olive Foundation is a foundation that is born here in Kansas City, Missouri, in the United States. We also are licensed in Nigeria, where we also carry a nonprofit license. We are here to cater for kids 5 years to 15 years, and now we're extending to 16. But these are kids who obviously come from impoverished homes. These are kids who obviously can't pay for school, kids who can't afford sports and equipment. We come in to assist these kids and make sure that they have that solid foundation to be able to reach their full potential. We have had our major camp for the last 4 years, totaling a number of 800 kids in the last one. We were able to distribute shoes, clothing, sports jerseys, balls to these kids. We also were in the displaced camp. Displaced camp is in Nigeria, where the citizens of Benue State obviously are being attacked by other tribes and driven into housing that they're not obviously comfortable with. We're there to provide for those kids. We supply medicines. We also supply clothing for them. We supply food materials, whatever we can get to them to assist them with getting through this situation they're in. Right now, there's over 1.5 million people living in those camps. Kids, a majority of that, women also a big part of that. That's what we do. That's where we come in. I'd like to also say that we are very proud to have been in hosting our basketball camps, sports camps for the last 4 years, and able to obviously take care of, like I said, 800 kids who attend these camps each year. The kids look forward to it. We look forward to it. We're hoping this year that we can give about 500 basketballs out to these kids. So in that respect, we are asking for your soliciting your help to come in and see if you can donate either balls, materials, or even cash, or even in kind. Some people might like to, put some time in, and that's also acceptable to us. But we are willing to work with anyone who's willing to work with us to take care, obviously have the focus of taking care of kids who are in need. Again, this is just an introduction to what we do as a foundation. We hope that we can reach other organizations, people who would be interested in coming to our aid to donate. And I hope that we are able to take care of our kids. That will be our future tomorrow. Thank you.